This is the dashboard here. This is dashcam video taken aboard Scootervision, taken at the January 2023 Yulee Cars and Coffee meetup. There were a lot of awesome cars out at this event. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep these videos coming your way. I guess that way.
Okay.
Had to turn it down.
Okay. Should your camera be that way?
It's fine.
Okay.
I'm sure I'll get it eventually.
All right. What's the difference in the two Mustangs, do you know? The black one and the white one?
Don't see
Different
anything.
year? I don't know.
Different year, definitely.
That's something you don't see often.
What? Merc? Yeah.
Yeah. That looks different.
Yeah.
There you are.
Yeah, I made it.
You know, I showed.
Figures, don't it?
Uh-huh. That's all right. I'll special order when I get purple's good.
No.
She's seen me.
For storage, so you can actually drive onto it.
Green's a different color, isn't it?
Just fine.
In that video.
I sure am. Yeah. I want it.
79?
No, that's the mid 80s.
80s? Yeah.
Late 80s.
Yeah. You don't have the plastic bumpers like ours did.
Yeah, that old fiberglass,
Yeah.
tankered up stuff.
Uh-huh.
I want
It's a
it.
different color green, isn't it?
No.
That one of those newer greens.
That's that green that was the rage around 2008.
Yeah. There's the car.
Uh-huh.
Does he follow your channel?
Yeah. I think so. See that little pinstriping on the door of that?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
You don't see pinstriping anymore.
No.
That's, I don't know if that's hand painted or what, but yeah.
Anything comes to get videos of the team.
But you also have a cat. Yeah, when you did that, total.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
And go Gators.
Go Gators.
This wasn't our year, bud.
Yep.
Really not that bad.
We only got one level.
Just like that horse one, that one.
You know, I have a BMW Sport right now. Personal touch.
They can't keep them held.
And the customers are getting ruder. I mean, even the elderly customers that want the personal touch are starting to slam our carts into the showroom to get by. And not even an excuse me or I'm sorry or
They're supposed to offer
where you going?
Salt Life. Is it Salt Life?
I don't know what
yeah,
it is.
I think it is.
Salt Lake?
Yeah, on the beach.
I ain't invited, so I don't
It's
know.
cold. They don't want to sit out there on the beach.
You can sit inside.
Yeah,
Tell them sit inside, not up on the deck.
yeah. See, originally when they picked it, they thought we'd be able to sit on the deck. It would be nice. It's going to be too darn cold to sit outside.
Honey, concentrate on driving your bed, please.
Yeah, don't scratch it, please.
She took up 6 spots to try and park it, and he took up 3 to park his next to her, just the back end.
Yeah.
When she could have just pulled in.
Yeah. Yeah.
And he could have parked here.
Mhm. Yeah. People are funny.
My son just bought it Friday.
Really? Where are you going?
I got to get the back of that one, and then we're going to go over there.
Yeah, that orange car wasn't here either.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah,
Oh, I
showing
like
her.
your scooter.
Yeah.
That's nice. That's the way to go right there.
He also puts everything on YouTube, so.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So he was wanting to come to that car show
Yeah,
so we could
yeah.
get all that stuff on video for y'all.
Good, good.
Yeah. You gonna go back over there to get through?
Yeah, well. Okay.
You did get side pictures of the wheels and everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have no idea.
I bet he's just driving the silver truck, but I don't see it either.
Is it that over there?
Joe.
Okay.
That car was actually up on the...
Yeah.
That's a pretty car, Mopar. Well, you
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.